Hi guys, it's been 2 weeks now since I had this product, and today I would like to give you a review about this doorbell. Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to unbox an Amazon, and we get the Pigeon doorbell. We got a Pigeon doorbell in this box. So in this box, it called Pigeon doorbell, and the brand is Wongkuo. You got Wi-Fi, battery operated. It's act like a CCTV. It got 166-degree nighttime mode, cloud saving storage. Looks like pwede din sa email and sharing. You got a microphone as well, and you can connect it via iOS or Google Play. Download for Wi-Fi connection, so we need to download an app to connect it. So what else in here? And it's in silver color. So thanks for your order. To get your free gift, giveaway.com. Choose one gift, we'll do that. So in the box we got the doorbell. Now you got silver gray. This is metal. This feel like oh no, this is plastic. This one here, and this one, it feels like a metal. And got like the doorbell. There's the camera there. Yeah. And oh, there we go. You would have, looks like you're going to screw this on the wall, and then you will put this in there, and then you'll put a screw in it to secure it. So video camera doorbell. And we have got this. Looks like a wireless one. So like the speaker, the chime, where the chimes coming, and you can pick the chime style. We have got, looks like a micro USB charger. We got fixing, screws fixing. We have got the manual. Looks like this is a double-sided tape to fix it on the wall. Something like that. So this is what we're getting. Hi guys, this is the app that is compatible in the Wongkuo Wireless doorbell. You just have to download the unboxed app, which is this one, and I want to show you, talk you through it. So at the moment it says it's online activities that has been got, because this doorbell has I set it up on high, so even though the bus passing it can detect the bus passing on our street, which I think it's really great. Anybody that pass on our street it can detect. And I want to show you what's the nighttime modes video looks like. This is the nighttime video. All the cloud video that has been detected. So I think it's the high sense. You can select what day, because it's on cloud, so you can select what the day. Let's say I want to select the Sunday, and it show all the Sunday feeds. Hi guys, this is how loud it can go, this doorbell. Yeah, you just press the, this is the loudest. This on mute. So we put on, so you got up to 25 different level, different chime you can pick from. I like that one. So there you go, guys. There's the doorbell chime. You got plenty of doorbell chime you can select from, and I think it can go to the quietest to the loudest. There you go, guys. There is my unboxing and walkthrough on the wireless doorbell. Great thing with it is you can insert an SD card on it. Once my trial on the cloud storage is finished, because the cloud storage is a subscription app storage, you can avail it as little as $1.99 a month, or you can avail the cloud storage for $16.99 for the whole year, which I think is a good value. But on my case, because I got a spare SD card here lying around in my house, I'll just use the SD card for now. The thing with the SD card, it can get full once the memory is all used up, so all you have to do is just reformat the memory card, which you can do it directly on the doorbell to format the SD card. And as you can see, the daytime feed and the nighttime feed during the night is really clear. You can tell that it is a HD 720p video. And with the peer motion, because I only got a small front yard, I think the high sensitivity is too sensitive for me, because I only got small front yard. Even the car passing by, it catches it. If I got a big front yard, I would select the high sensitivity. I think the medium peer motion sensitivity, it is more suitable for my small front yard. Detecting the motion, it is really good. That's what it says on the box. And what else? With the doorbell chime, I am really pleased with the selection of doorbell chime, and there are 5 levels of volume. With the battery life in it, with the setting of high sensitivity, I charged it last week. Now it's been a week now, and it has half a battery life. It mentioned in the manual that if you use a high sensitivity peer motion, it uses a lot more battery, of course, because you use it a lot more. But yeah, I think it's reasonable for the charging. It has a reasonable use of a battery, so I would gather, so if you set it on high sensitivity peer motion, it would last up to 2 to 3 weeks maybe. So it will be last longer if you set it up in medium or in low. That's it. And yes, for the added security, I would highly recommend this for the price. Yeah, and one thing good in it is you can just grab your phone and check the app, and you can monitor it like a CCTV. So that's it, guys. This is the Wongkuo Smart Wireless Doorbell, and it is highly recommended by Lewy. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and you haven't done so, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Alright guys, bye for now!